Hi, this is Leo here from Social Orange, and in this video I'm gonna give you a tool that will help you to remove any background from any of the image. For example, you have a product image, let it be car, you, or any image that has a background. If you want to knock off that completely, and this tool is gonna help you to do that in a jiffy. Guess what, you don't need to know any knowledge about designing or any tools, nothing. Just have to upload the photo that you want to remove the background from, and then you can just expect the results to be stunning, because it's gonna knock off all the unwanted backgrounds and give you the exact image that you are planning to get. So let's get started. So you gotta go to this website called remove.bg. So once you are here, you will have to upload your image. So I'm gonna upload one of my recent image, and it's getting uploaded now. Once the upload is done, it's gonna automatically remove all the background images of that particular image and give you a clean PNG with no white background in that. So this will help you to use these images in a lot of places. So now you can clearly see this. I didn't even spend any time in cutting or pasting or doing anything for this matter. So you can clearly see how clear the edges are, and you can use it on your landing pages, on your products, and this goes with same with product. Look at how it differentiates it. So this is the actual image that you see on the right hand side, and you can see a PNG of the same in the left hand side. So now you have an image that has no background, and you can literally use it on any of the creative. And now what? So I will just give you a simple example on how do we use this kind of images in different creators to make a remarkable, stunning presentations or creatives that you want to post on your social media, or even for a brochure design, wherever you want to use this, email newsletters. It's really possible because this image doesn't have any background in it, and it can gel with any of the templates that you can pick it online and just upload this image, and you can get your design work get it done. So to do that, I'll just click on this particular image which has this kind of background. Just click on it. You will be getting a download sign from them, and then I'm using a tool called Canva to show you a demo. But if you, in case you are familiar with Photoshop, you can go ahead and do it. But if in case you want to have the Canva done, so this, you can see this. So here I have just uploaded it here. So once you are into the Canva dashboard, you will have to hit the uploads button. Once you upload it, you will be able to see what I have uploaded here. So I'm just going to click on this image, and it just pops in. Can you see here, it just merges with the background automatically, and you don't have to do anything. So now I'm gonna say increase my size, and I'm gonna place it here. See, it's just on top of this, and if you want, I can send this backward, so it is just behind the text. So it looks cool, like a template, right? So like this, you can make any number of designs using this. In Canva you have a lot of templates as well. So what you can do is you can click on this. Okay, this is an image. So go for a solid background. So I'll just go for solid backgrounds, then it will look nicer. So white background, I will choose yellow color background. I would say this one would look stunning, and then I'm going to my uploads, place it here. That's it. So you can see how simple is it to create an image for that matter. So it's that simple. So now you can just add your logo as well in this, and then it completely becomes your own created post. So I'll just add a logo here, right? And then now you can just download this as an image, and then it's all done. So I say download, done. So now you can actually use this to create any number of creatives that you wish to. So you can just see here, so how cool it looks. So hope this video was useful for you, and see you in another video. Don't forget to reach out to us for any social media campaigns. We are a digital marketing agency called Social Orange. See you in another video. Thank you.